a great weather for Halloween. I don't know how the kids are gonna do, but it's pretty nasty. I've only been here for a month. I live close by, but I've never seen it like this. But my dog, he's gotta go out as well, but it's pretty intense.
Well, I was leaving, going to work, and suddenly I heard the sound of a branch. I thought it was a branch cracking. Didn't know where it was coming from. I just realized when the tree fell on me, it blocked the car, didn't move, and I was lucky enough to have neighbors and people working on the street helping me getting out of the car. There's a Volvo that is pretty damaged, and there's another car right in front of mine who also has a nice damage. Insurance are waiting for me, so I'm gonna go to and speak to them. And the good thing is nobody got hurt. That's what's important.